That's right, I forgot to turn it on. I just realized I can actually hold an iPad with only one hand. Like that, for example. First thing that was in here was a Monte Carlo Homeowner Select. I thought it was a Homeowner Deluxe for a while because, of course, they were in the Homeowner series. But they're actually Homeowner Selects. Of course, Bicycle.com shows one in polished brass with a 3-wheel light kit, which looked similar to the one that we used to have. All three of them were Roman bronze. There was one up there where the gray space. There was one here, and then one in my room. But the one in my room got replaced first. It went, my room's up here. 2017, 2018, and then 2019. We replaced this in, I think I heard in March or February or March 2019. It could have been April though. I don't remember, really. Medium's been faster on this fan for some reason. Yeah, most of the ceilings and walls in our house were repainted. We did the ceilings in, like, I believe 2014 at some point. I'm not sure, it might have been 2013. There was actually a picture of my Homeowner Select, the one that was in my room, with the canopy off. That's because they were repainting. That's why part of the mounting bracket on my Monte Carlo Premier was white, because the paint. Maybe it's not really doing it. Let's see where it goes faster. I don't know. But yeah, I like the modification on it. It's really nice. Because I filmed it earlier and medium speed was faster for some reason. Oh, that's the wrong ball chain! It sounded really weird for a moment. But high speed's really fast. It's going faster a lot. I think it's going faster all of a sudden. Never mind. Because it was like this when I filmed on my phone earlier today. And filmed most of the speed, just not long, because of course all that stuff. But yeah, airflow is really good on this thing. Its original blades don't have a very steep blade pitch compared to these ones, and it's still running that fast. I think it's because I did something to the motor, like what I did on the Wellesley, where I just bent the blades a little bit and then started running really fast, like what's happening here, all of a sudden. But yeah, this is a really cool fan. Especially because it's very fast, high speed. This is like only can arms old, high speed. Not entirely though, but yeah, high speed's still pretty fast on this thing. Really love it. Of course, the LEDs are really nice. But yes, the original fans that were in this house run the fastest. Yeah, and this Wellesley was actually installed when we bought the house. My dad bought it at Lowe's. I remember seeing one of these on the display, as well as seeing a burnished cream. But this was when I was like 3 years old, so like, yeah, of course, I've Lowe's fans since I was 6 years old, so this was like 3 years later. But I used to just look at ceiling fans whenever we went to Lowe's quite a bit. I mean, my obsession's been there for a while, but I started collecting fans when I was 6 years old. But yes, this is just like one of the cooler fans. But yeah, this is just the fan there.